In today's video, we're going to show you how to thoroughly and quickly prepare the natural nail for any nail service. Step number one is to push back the cuticles on all the nails. You've got to put some pressure though behind this. I mean, you don't want to go like insanely hard, but you've got to push them back.
Yeah, I got it.
There you go.
You got to put a little pressure.
Yeah.
And push back.
Now, when I'm pushing Tracy's cuticles back, she mentioned to me that she can feel that pressure, but there's no pain at all. And that's kind of the key, is you want to push them back so it exposes that protein growth. Check out the difference here.
If you look at my other nails right now, which need to be done badly, you don't see that white protein growth, right? So that's what that pushing exposes. This, if we leave it, will cause lifting.
For the next step, I've got to season my sanding band just like this. You can go at an angle or you can go straight in at the top.
So what we tend to do when we're first starting out is we tend to kind of come out here next to the cuticle and we go, oh, I got it, because we're kind of afraid of that area. But we seasoned our band, so we don't have to be afraid of it.
So you're saying typically the tip will go there,
yeah,
when it should go more deep into your cuticle.
It gets tucked here.
So I want to go back there. Yeah,
and
I see.
It won't hurt. You're not pushing into my cuticle. You're just lightly butting up to the cuticle.
Got it.
And you've seasoned your bit so it's not sharp.
Got it.
So this is what we want to make sure we take care of. This is the number one thing people make mistakes with when prepping.
They don't go deep.
They don't go far enough back.
Got it.
First thing I want you to do is remove the Sharpie, and then you're just going to lightly
come through the body,
feather through, remove shine. That's our only goal.
So I'm not putting a lot of pressure either. I'm just making contact.
Such a light tip.
Very light touch. What speed is ideal? 3,000, 4,000?
I go about 4, and the angle matters too. The reason we don't want that is it's going to leave grooves in the nail bed, right? Yes. So it's just lightly tilted so it tucks into the cuticle area.
So barely tilted.
But you notice the body of the arbor band, the sanding band, is flat on the nail bed.
Correct. And I want to hold your finger like this during prep, or I want to go
overhand.
Overhand, right?
Yep.
This is nice because I can do this.
Yep.
Like a nice balancing point.
And you can kind of, if you need, if they have excess growth, you can kind of pull the skin down so you're really getting in there. See how much white you exposed by doing that on the sides? There. I want you to get closer. I can feel that you're not close to that cuticle.
Still not close?
Doesn't feel like it. There it is. Exactly what you just did.
Oh.
How's that marker? Because I can't see.
It's coming off.
See? Yeah, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And all that white is coming off.
It's coming off.
And I'm gonna show you. Now pull down a little bit. Yeah. Here? See?
Oh, I gotta get right up in there. Oh yeah. Satisfying. Level 80.
This is one of my favorite parts. When I do my own
here,
nails,
right?
feels good. Yes, exactly. And I like how you twisted so you can see.
I think I've gotten all in there, Trace.
Yeah. Now let's remove the shine.
So just come through the body now, right?
Yep.
Like that?
Yep. Just. Yep. Use that whole body of that bit. That's it. Done.
What about here?
You see marker? Take it off.
Yeah.
Good job. Yeah.
Okay.
After removing shine from all 3 nails, I took a manicure brush and dry brushed down. This removes the bulk of the dust particles. Then you want to immerse it with swipe and do the same thing, but move it in a downward direction. Don't go side to side, because it'll get the dust and all the particles in the nail grooves. After cleansing the nail, it's time to protein bond.
I'm gonna do 2 coats.
Yep.
Protein bond is a non-acid bonder. It acts like a double-sided sticky tape. This is gonna make your nails last.
Protein bond is exactly the way you do. I liked how you kind of started more in the middle.
Yeah.
And that way you didn't flood the cuticle.
Totally.
Yep. So you do all 10 fingers, come back, do your second coat. The second coat We say 1 coat for most people, 2 for heavy lifters. I don't want to find out a client's a heavy lifter. The 2nd coat grabs anything you accidentally missed. Just really make sure it's nice and sticky.
Totally.
Nice. Good job.
That's ready for application.
It's ready for product.
Awesome.
Yep.
The nails are prepped and ready for application. Let me know what you think and how I did in the comments below.